One of the most difficult parts of your exam is when we are trying to change words into maths calculation. So that is actually really difficult. But let's break it down. So Myriad and Dermont own a window cleaning business. Myriad can clean a standard window in 9 minutes, and Dermont can clean a standard window in 12 minutes. Okay, we get that. Myriad does it quicker, 9 minutes, Dermont a bit more slower, 12 minutes. Myriad and Dermont both start cleaning standard windows at the same time. We understand there are windows and they start cleaning. They both finish cleaning a window at the same time. So they are cleaning, and there is a point where they both finish cleaning window. After how many minutes will this first happen? Okay, because we understand that, so one of them Myriad 9 minutes and Dermont 12 minutes. So if we are considering the first window, it will take him 9 minutes, it take her 9 minutes, it will take him 12 minutes. Second window. So second window now, 2 windows clean, it will take her 18 minutes and it will take him 24 minutes. Okay, third window clean. So it will take her 27 minutes and it will take him 36 minutes. And then fourth window clean, because at the moment we are different times, isn't it? We keep on going. Then fourth window is 36 minutes for her, and for him is 48 minutes. So we can see that this is the time at what point they will finish cleaning window at the same time. For her, she will already do 4 windows. For him, he will do 3 windows. And both of them at 36 minutes will finish cleaning windows. Okay, different amount of windows, but still they will just finish cleaning window. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part. A building has 35 standard windows. Work out how long it will take Myriad and Dermont to clean the 35 windows if they work together. Okay, so think about it. Let's say there is 35 windows, and let's say they both clean at the same speed. Let's say that both of them it takes for ease of calculation, let's say it takes them 10 minutes to clean a window, right? So we can understand that if it takes them 10 minutes, both of them to clean windows, so the question is, well, how long will it take 35? So we are saying, okay, let's divide that into equal parts. So if I divide 35 into 2, that now I know it's not going to be an even number, so 17 and a half, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and we have how long it will take. However, the problem here is that they don't clean at the same time, but we have to kind of think about how will we calculate that if that was more simple numbers. So we are saying, okay, in 1 minute, Myriad will clean how much of a window? 1/9, isn't it, of a window? Because it takes 9 minutes, so 1 minute, the 1/9 of the whole window will be cleaned. Now, in 1 minute, Dermont will clean 1/12 of a window. So the question is, well, together in 1 minute, Myriad and Dermont will clean how much of a window? So 1/9 plus 1/12. We put that in the calculator and we get that is 7/36 of a window. So that's how both of them will clean together. So if I have 35 windows and I divide by how much of a window they clean in 1 minute, we're going to get how many minutes it will take them to clean 35 of them. And again, when we put that in the calculator, we get 180. So it takes them 180 minutes to clean 35 windows. Now, again, I cannot stress enough that these type of question are not easy when I have to change words into maths. But that's what I'm saying. You start in your exam, you start writing down what you understand. Once you start analyzing and writing it down, then you're going to see the solution here.